happy Friday to you. It is the 6th of June and we're heading towards the weekend. A long weekend for some, so let's take a look at the wet and wintry weather that's on its way. So starting off by looking at tomorrow's synoptic pattern, we can see these two cold fronts pushing into the southeast, a part of a complex low pressure area, which is really just a fancy term for a broad area of low pressure with multiple low pressure centres embedded within it. Now this complex low pressure area is bringing wet and windy weather to the southeast and even some gusty storms, small hail and snow to the resorts. Conversely, out in the west, we've got this high pressure system that extends a ridge into central Australia, bringing settled and dry weather, pushing into Queensland as well. And just some isolated light showers about the southern coast in onshore winds and also about the Queensland coast. So let's move around the country, taking a closer look, starting with Queensland. Partly cloudy day for the eastern districts with just a few light isolated showers about the coast and also even a sprinkle possible about the central ranges. As we head further inland though, dry sunny conditions with just some morning fog and frost patches about the southern inland. For Brisbane, a partly cloudy day with a maximum of 25 degrees. Moving into New South Wales, we've got that windy and wet air mass that's pushing into the south with showers more widespread about the far south and the southern ranges. Daytime temperatures or maximums are expected to be in the low to mid-teens, but will feel much colder in the south due to that wind chill factor. As we head further north, dry conditions and temperatures grading into the low 20s in the northeast. For Sydney, a mostly sunny day with a maximum of 19 degrees. For Canberra, showers and wind increasing, a maximum of 11. Now for Victoria, it's going to be a very wet and windy day with showers on and south of the ranges at first, but then rain developing out in the west during the afternoon and extending into central and eastern districts during the evening. Now it's going to be very windy with damaging wind gusts possible about the Grampians and also the eastern ranges, and there is a separate severe weather video dedicated to this that you can access via our website or social media. Otherwise, there's also the potential for some gusty thunderstorms about the far southwest later in the day and small hail as well in the colder air mass behind that front. For Melbourne, windy with showers increasing, a maximum of 15 degrees, but it will feel much colder with that wind chill factor. Down in Tasmania, showers are forecast statewide, more frequent about the west and the northern parts where storms are possible. Snow down to 1,100 metres. For Hobart, we're forecasting a shower or two with a maximum of 15 degrees. Moving up to South Australia, it is going to be a wet and windy day as well across the southern agricultural areas with showers increasing during the afternoon and evening thanks to that cold front. There is a severe weather warning for damaging wind gusts across the southeast coast and adjacent land areas, including for the Adelaide area. And as well, gusty storms and small hail are expected to push in during the afternoon. For Adelaide, a windy and wet day with a maximum of 17 degrees, but again, it's going to feel a lot colder than that. Out in the west, a generally dry, settled and clear day with just some morning frost and fog patches about the southern inland and the risk of a shower about the southern coast. For Perth, a sunny day with a maximum of 20 degrees. Now shifting up to the tropical north, it is going to be a dry day really right across the region, apart from some humidity and cloud about the eastern top end with the risk of a shower there. For Darwin, a typical dry season day with a minimum of 21 degrees, followed by a maximum of 31. Now quickly, just taking a brief look at Sunday, that complex area of low pressure is going to linger across the southeast with the cold air mass really pushing up into New South Wales with small hail and showers continuing and snow down to low levels, including the Grampians in Victoria, but as well the central and northern tablelands of New South Wales are a possibility. Out in the west, those high pressure conditions will continue to bring clear and dry conditions extending into central parts. So if you're wanting to know more about what's going on in your local area, you can head to the Bureau's website, the app or social media. Otherwise, we'll see you again next time. Bye for now.